Hi guys, it's day 3 of the trouble. But yesterday I told you that the part's supposed to arrive this morning, and I showed up at the dealership and the guys said, no, it's not here. They said, well, all we can do is wait till tomorrow. Hopefully it'll arrive tomorrow. So I'm at mercy of the supply chain management, but I'm staying positive because I've invested psychologically and preparation-wise so much into this trip that I want to will it to work. Because if the part arrives tomorrow morning, I will take it. The old pump is deinstalled already, waiting for new pump, and hopefully that's the answer. I got interrupted yesterday when I'm about to pack the essentials, not just utilities and extra supplies, but what I'm bringing for 38 days trip with me. Let's go and quickly look what's in each individual box. The largest bins here are full of lyophilized packages. This happened to be breakfasts. There are different batches, different preparations, but typically it's barley and buckwheat, various kinds of fruit, chia seeds, flax seeds. Nutrition-wise, extremely good. We're eating it pretty much every day and never get tired of eating it. So I don't know, I'm not going to be deprived. So enough breakfast for 38 days. In this box, it's lunches. They all kind of look the same, but they're different batches, slightly different preparations and recipes. The point is that nutrition is important in our lifestyle as we're getting older, and this will take absolutely no time. Once I'm at campsites, I will show you different scenarios, how I feed myself, how I prepare, clean up, all of that stuff in a vlog format. I'm bringing minimalistic kit in terms of no tent, just one foldable chair, one foldable small table. It's just for me. This is very comfortable, foldable stadium chair, which I put on this frame, and it works well. Some of you may have seen it before. This box is a heavier box, and what's heavy? I have some of the sweet tooth treatments here, cleaners, pure water, and Windex, and this is the kitchen Dawn power wash cleaner. I have sardines here as supplies. This is curtain for the back, some of the technical towels. It's very simple to switch two settings, 500 watts and 1000 watts. So this thing fries incredibly. In fact, I tried it at home and I start using it instead of conventional, even fancy skillets, because first of all, it's a completely non-stick. It never had anything sticks here, so you don't have to put much oil. Heats up quickly for one person, couple of eggs. I will be frying, I'm bringing with me for frying potato and sweet potato, and with eggs, that would be a great snack. So here also, I love pumpernickel bread. It's storable at room temperature, and that's one of the reasons I'm bringing it. So the refrigerator is already full and I don't have extra room there. So that's what in this one. This will stay in the van most of the times because only occasionally I need to pull out 1 or 2 items from here. This bin contains my everyday necessities. Things like little cutting board here. This thing is a thermos, so it's insulated. And it's great, for example, on cold mornings, you put freeze-dried breakfast here and pour water, then you could cover it and you get nice warm food 5 minutes later, ready to eat. Olive oil, 3 types of pepper. I love black, white, and green pepper mixed together. Here, I have towel. I have various bags of teas, more napkins. And for first 2 days, I'm bringing enough breakfast and lunch here, so I could stop on the road. My first day is traveling, and every couple of days, I will be replenishing kit with the yellow bucket contents, which breakfast and lunches. Let's do a systematic tour of my packing. So from the top to bottom, this is bag of my clothes, light clothes. This is heavy clothes. This bags here. So in the morning when I get up, I just pull it from the shelf, get what I need, dress up, and I'm ready to go. The 2 food containers as well as kitchen equipment bins, which I'm going to be using on a daily basis. This is little tarp here, 8 by 10 to spread for a blanket and then put a yoga mat, and I'm going to put yoga mat right here. These are the window screens, which you've seen me using for ventilation at night. This bungee cord supports bins together. On this side, we'll go and I'll tell you what's in that bag. But that bag will be there when I'm driving, so I could have access. There are some snacks, and this is just an extra space which I could use. From the back here, here's how it's packed. 4 bins. These bins supported by straps, so they're not going to fly anywhere. This is kind of redundant. And this bag also easy access as the first thing when I'm arriving at the campsite, because these are leveling bricks. This is my water, about 4.5 gallons. Should be enough for me as an individual, probably for 3 to 4 days. So all of this space is my bed is going to be, and I'm going to put mattress and set up bed. But I wanted to show you how much space I have. Very easy access to the toilet seat in the middle of the night. This is ultimate comfort. This is why I love camping so much. I would have not been doing it as much otherwise. So this bag is just an organizer, car organizer, microfiber towel, which is nice to have, and then assortment of different nuts. These are very easy to access and open with one hand. These are snacks, freeze-dried snacks for the first few days of driving as well. That will keep me entertained and not hungry. This bag I can easily pull out and use when I'm going to the restroom, take shower. If any of the personal hygiene items are in this bag, and early in the morning and late at night, it's really easy to throw in, and that's convenience. When I undress, I typically put my shoes over here on this step, kind of next to the bed. I don't have stinky feet, so I'm not suffering from that. And this is extra area. This is where my camera bag will go. Backpack will go on the top of the bed. I put a little towel there, and will be strapped with the same hook, the same carabiner, the hiking backpack. When I'm sleeping, I will put hiking backpack on the driver's seat. Very minimal reconfiguration and moving things around, no tent, no setup. Let's see how it works, especially for 38 days in a row. Maybe I'll have enough and then I'll bail out. I don't think I'll bail out. Hopefully the vehicle wouldn't bail out on me either. So this is all contingent on tomorrow's parts arriving. So I'll set up a bed and show you the bed in a moment. This is step 1, 5-inch mattress. This is a waterproof cover for the mattress, just in case anything spills here when I'm going to load something up or reshuffling. I'm not peeing myself yet, so that's not for that purpose. Anyway, that's first step. Now I'm going to put actual bedding. And here's the bed, fully made and ready to go. Selected brown sheets with somewhat matching, contrasting colors. Duvet cover. My pillow is very thick. I like thick pillows. This duvet is sort of a little bit big. So double layer. I will be some high altitude places. This way I'm not going to be cold at night without my wife. That's pretty much the tour of the van, and it's pretty much packed. Maybe a couple of little items here and there. It's fully packed. This is how I'm going to travel. Backpack is not here. There's plenty of room. I could move the pillow over here, put a little cover here with my backpack. Just to show you, I forgot to put something under the bed. It's possible to lift it. It's not that heavy. Of course, you got to remove some of the luggage, but even the bedding is in place and the rear stuff is still in place. So this is actually quite functional. I will be using it, not hesitating, because it's straightforward. Wish me luck for tomorrow. If the part will arrive and I will be able to repair it, I really will be on the road.